Hello, you. You're the one listening to this, right? All right, so we are underneath Claxton Supra right now, and the reason why we have an engine mount in our hand is because these engine mounts, supposedly, this is the first one I've seen, but supposedly on Supras, when you track them or you beat them and your motor mounts are collapsed, when the motor torques out, the mount will actually lift with the engine, and when it comes back down, it falls so hard on the actual mount. And since these mounts are collapsed, you're literally just landing on your subframe. So because this is really cheapy cast aluminum, it's not strong. There's no rigidity in here. So please somebody come up with the aftermarket bracket, because we do have aftermarket mounts now, which are stronger than the factory mounts. So essentially we're going to be going through a lot more of these. And I don't want to do this again because this is a pain in the butt. The amount of torque that this motor is now producing, that's what causes this to break. So we are kind of just making sure that it doesn't do it again. I have a feeling it is going to do it again. So Vargas or VSFR, whatever your acronyms are, hopefully you can come up with something. It would be really nice. And if you do come up with something, call us, let us know. We would love to buy your first set, put it on this car and make sure it doesn't break. This car is going to go toe to toe with a 800 horsepower S4. And depending on who is piloting this vehicle, I don't like BMW, but I think this car will outperform the S4. So prove me wrong and enjoy.
Alright, as you may have noticed, we are taking a little break from Roy's project on the S4. Claxton is in the shop now for some repairs on his Toyota Supra MK5, which is basically a BMW. In the video now is Michael installing the new OEM motor mounts. After the new motor mounts were installed, we also need to replace the valve cover due to some other issues hiding within the motor.
The valve cover, porque too much boost, PCB say bye bye, and it doesn't want to come back.
So all that's got to come off of it?
So the harness, PCB, fuel lines, valve cover. Okay. The new one make 3,000 horsepower, 1,000 RPM.
Now, is the Toyota Supra, the MK5, really all BMW? Let's find out.
It is.
The logo says Toyota.
Yo, point to any part in this car and BMW. Any part right now. It says
Toyota.
No. It says BMW.
It says Toyota.
Yeah, but come here. BMW.
Nah.
Everything is BMW. BMW.
Nah.
Soy bar. BMW.
Nah.
Come here. What else do we got? Let's go random part. Let's go diff. Right, let's go anywhere right here. Well, this is versus, so that's cheating. Let's see. Made in Spain, so that's neither. No, I don't find any other BMW. Those are aftermarket wheels?
No, this is a factory wheels.
Okay, let's look at the factory wheel. Let's see where it says. I'll say BMW somewhere. Or probably on the hub. It might say it on the hub. Yeah, no, I won't say it on the wheel. Nope, nothing there. Taiwan. Anything. Come on, give me something else that says BMW. Look, G-body. So this is for that's a BMW part.
The G-body is Chevrolet.
And also Porsche.
And Mercedes.
What G is Mercedes? Oh, G-Wagon. Oh, yeah. But that's not the actual chassis code.
The chassis code is G.
Anyways, this is just a big old giant BMW Z4 with a beautiful body kit on it that you can modify way more than a Z4. So why not? Let's play with this thing. It is mainly European. Let's get some horsepower out of it.
Well, we are. Don't worry. We are going to get horsepower out of it. That's why I'm underneath this motor.